I'm Stephen, and I'm a professor of Tsinghua University, and also I'm the chief scientist of the Matrix Space on Space. Matrix on Space is a company dedicated to developing a new generation of blockchain technologies. My research area, because I'm a professor, my research area is in artificial intelligence and in architecture. Back 1 year ago, and my friend Owen and Tsinghua, they told me about everything. They explained the blockchain to me. So I know that blockchains are facing a series of challenges. The challenges are so serious that we have to work them out before the idea of blockchain to really fly. So in the past 1 year, we designed artificial intelligence solutions for blockchains. And we have very nice solutions, like we can make it faster, easier to use, and more secure. So that's pretty much why I'm here for this conference.
Hello, this is Owen. I'm the CEO of Matrix. I'm a big fan of blockchain, and I noticed this industry for years. Recently, we found everyone knows Ether, right? We found Ether. Ether, the smart contract is the key function of Ether, right? But we found that the smart contract can't serve anyone because if you don't know how to program, you can't use the smart contract. So we want to use AI technology to solve this problem. So in Matrix, anytime if you only just need to write down what you want or what you need in natural language, the machines will do the coding to do the program to run the smart contract for you. That's what we want. We want to create a smarter contract, a smarter blockchain to serve anyone. Yeah.
That's you guys have a lot of really interesting stuff. That's really cool.
Thank you.
So I guess I would like to know what is kind of your end goal? So you said you work with like space programs and stuff like that. So how do you think this technology and AI and all of it together will actually help us maybe explore further, push the boundaries of what we think is possible?
So I think it's like this. First, we want everybody, because I always said I would like everybody to use smart contracts to do things for whatever reason. And we hope that the whole blockchain, the power of a smart contract can be accessible to every person. And in addition, we have something even more ambitious, actually something like this, because currently the most criticized part of digital currencies is the mining, because it wastes a lot of energy. And we want to design a new mining mechanism so that the power of the computing power can be unleashed for other application domains, such as scientific computing, such as social network analysis, and blah, 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 and so on. So we want the mining process generate universal values. So that's pretty much our dream for the future. And and also current smart contracts, current world of digital currency is sort of a jungle world, because the lack of security is plaguing the whole landscape. So in the future, we want to have something like deep learning enabled security enhancement techniques, so that smart contracts can be run more smooth and safer. So that's pretty much what we're thinking about for the future.
And so your background, like you said, is more in business. So in the business world, because I mean, pretty much everything involves business, and you think that smart contracts will really change the way that business is done. So what are some of the consequences of eventually, if you manage to achieve this goal and have smart contracts sort of globally used, how does the business world change? What types of things could we see changing in the world?
In fact, it won't change the business rules. The most important things for Matrix is we will improve the numbers who will use blockchain and the smart contract. In fact, anyone, if you have a smartphone, you can use blockchain and you can use smart contract. So we have millions of users, or maybe all over the world. Anyone can use our product. So that's the billions of you. So maybe we don't change the rules of the of the business, but we have changed the world of the business. So it's in our world, the blockchain is served for anyone, so anyone can use it. That's the most different things with the current blockchains industry now.
And what industry do you think this technology will help the most? So, like, yeah, business is very broad, but specifically, like, what industry do you think needs smart contracts and blockchain more than anything else?
Actually, it's a hard question. Actually, virtually any application domains, any industry would require smart contracts. But I would say that something like some domains, like real estate, like finance applications, they may have they may have a stronger need for smart contract. But I will still be it's general, it's universal. Everybody will need smart contracts.
And anybody can just use.
Without technology,
matrix,
anybody
right?
can write his or her own smart contract program.
Maybe I can, for example, in the future, maybe you can put all the things on the network. You can make the machines to do everything for you. Maybe make a schedule. For example, you are working late today, but you don't know when you will leave your company. Maybe you use the smart contract. You can do that. If you leave company before 7 p.m., your telephone will call a dinner. Maybe book a seat for you and your girlfriend. If you leave a company after 7 o'clock, maybe your phone will call a hotel, just put a room for you. Yeah.
That
sounds scary.
It's kind of like nervous, but like scarily cool. With all the possibilities that are coming out of this. But wow. It sounds really interesting. The future is going to be different. Which is kind of one last question about this conference as a whole. So, have you guys enjoyed the conference? What are some like positive aspects compared to maybe some other conferences you've been to? And have you met some people here that have you found an interest in something here? Have you found out about something you didn't know before and that you might want to implement into your business ventures in the future? Like people or connections that you've met, new technologies you've seen, anything like that?
Actually, this is the first time I attend a blockchain conference. Previously, I attended many different conferences, but the most academic conference. So this one is quite different. So basically, I enjoy the whole conference because you have nice speakers and everything, many different new things, and a lot of chance to do the talking, discussion with different people. So I think it's a cool conference. Yeah, I like it.
Cool.
I'm glad I met people who from all over the world. Everyone have do the same thing. All of us love blockchains, and we are doing different things, but all of us are hoping the blockchain will change the world. We believe the cryptocurrency will be the main digital asset in the future. So I'm glad that, and I'm enjoy the conference too.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you guys very much.